In 300 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
We're already here.
Yeah.
It's always like that.
You would expect that this
A
hopefully
very
modified
tiny-
place would have a road like this. Even the road going to the barangay is better.
We're here, Daddy.
We're
No
almost here
minutes.
in the jungle.
Still staring at the palm trees.
Over the
Waiting for
jungle.
coconut fall.
We don't want one to fall on our
No, I mean it's fall in the grass.
yeah.
That's what I'm waiting for. Summon the coconuts!
Every time road and dirt road.
Oh my gosh. That sounds horrible. I thought that was a giraffe. It's a
I always
giraffe.
remember that time when we went to the other place.
You gotta be kidding me. There's
The Durhan had pavement though. They had more of a road than this.
There's two midget cars in front of behind us.
They're not midget cars, they're motorcycles.
It's size as a midget, so I call it a midget car. Midget cycle. Oh, that's a perfect name, midget cycle.
Man, who would know? Then you emerge on this, hopefully an oasis.
Duh, I don't know.
Look at that. You can see over there. But going here, it's a bumpy dirt road. Or say,
You have arrived.
you have arrived.
Sounds like weird.
Okay.
I've arrived.
You have arrived.
Arrived.
Arrived na daw ta.
Oh, plenty of parking. It's good.
Not much people here today.
It's not a big place, man. It's
Yeah.
private.
I know, that's why not much people here.
We're here at Cebu R Resort Tabuelan. And then we're gonna go to, he's gonna go check in first. Then we're gonna see our room. Cross fingers. It's okay. William is here. Daddy's here. Information. The plants. So cute. Right? It's a chair. No, it's a chair, baby boy.
What is it made of?
It's rattan. So this is the place. Looks like from the lobby. Our lobby for information. Cute. Parking over here on the side. Hi guys! So now we are here at Tabuelan. So we are be staying here for 2 days. 3 days. Or maybe we could extend. We'll see what we can do. And yeah, this is their sign here on the backside. The backside is the sign where they have their signature of their place. Okay. And information here, and I think these are all like maybe the rooms. I'm not so sure. And Daddy is still there. We're gonna go there, okay? Right. Daddy's there.
Cebu R Resort, Tabuelan. Just checked in, checking out our room. Imagine a hotel room with a telephone in Cebu. It's our room, desk and TV, complimentary coffee and water. Closet area, the mini fridge, bathroom,
There we go. We're going to the pool area and see what does it look like. Oh wow. It is better than the picture. Oh, they got the maintenance guy here working too. So you get from here, from your right, going up here. This is what the pool looks like over here. It's very, very nice. very accommodating, very appealing to the eyes. From your side, this is, I think this is the restaurant. I think, yeah, this is the restaurant. We are going up here tomorrow, later for dinner. Yes, this is the restaurant. Okay, so we're gonna be eating here, and this is what Yan is in the room. So from here up, this is what the place looks like. Okay, now we're going down to the beach and see what does it look like. So I'm walking. Okay, we're walking towards, probably this is the jacuzzi or maybe I'm not sure. It's a baby jacuzzi or baby pool. And this is probably just the sun deck. Oop. Wash out. Yeah, not sure.
Yeah, but over there it's okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to get closer so I can see.
Yeah. Okay, coastal. It's a little bit washed out right now. Okay. And if you are into that, like ocean view, yes, that would be around probably 9,000 pesos. Yeah, this is another room here, which is also probably pricey, but it looks great. This is from here. Alright, so this is the beach area. That's okay, right? This is what the beach looks like. I'm already good with it. Yan would love it. There's a sun. Yeah, this is sun area where Yan can just play around here. And the rooms over there. There's our room over there actually. Yeah, I like it. Good choice, honey.
Thank you.
Super nice. I love it.
I like the view.
What do you think? We know we got a place to go. Yes, this is what we want. There's no island.
Dagat nako.
Dagat ni mo. Yeah, probably that would be the what? The 12,000?
Maybe.
What do you think?
9,000, 10,000.
Yeah, right?
But we on discount.
Yeah.
Because all that last minute booking.
Yes. Diba? So lucky.
You're not discount the name.
Yes. Alright. This is our resort, guys. Ganda. Super. Ganda-ganda niya. Oh, diba? Ganda niya, guys. Very super nice. Super, yeah, luxurious. We got a discount, so we are very lucky at this time. We got a good, finally. I love this thing. I love this resort. Oh, you get a baby pool here too. Look at that. Yes, Yan we're gonna like it. Love it here, yeah. Sun deck. Probably if you wanna go for sunbathing or something. If you want that kind of a mode. Oh, here, another view. Okay. See, ganda niya, guys. Look at that. See? And here are like the rocky area part. See, nice. Super nice. See the sun deck area. It's a little bit really like very sunny right now. Okay, so we're gonna go up. Okay, up. See? That. Okay, and then when you go up right here, so here. Alright. Okay, 4. We gotta the jacuzzi, and then for the baby pool, yan, we're gonna like that one.